Hey, what's happening? Quake here, Chemist America Lifestyle. I'm here at the Basin Cruiser 45th annual car show. So I got my own entry also. So I'm gonna show you mine. There you go. There's my baby. There you go. Yeah. It was co-sponsored by 3E Pastry and Cafe. Shout out to Sir Sidic, Boss Sidic. There you go. It's a Tesla Model S. There we go. So I'm just gonna flex my car first, and then I'm gonna go around. All right. So I got the fireplace going. There we go. And then more cars coming. Let's start on this end. All right. The show is still it's about 30 more minutes to open, so we got an early entry. All right, there's a nice looking truck right here. There we go. And a green Camaro. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, look at how low that one in the ground. There we go. It's about, I don't know, maybe it's about 3 fingers. There we go. 3 fingers. Oh, look at those chrome. It's gonna be a whole day cleaning that one. So with the tan leather interior. Ooh, LS engine. Yeah, another Camaro. Oh, there's one right here. An Impala. Being prepped. Hey. Ooh. Oh my God, I like the purple. Look at that purple. Yeah. Chevy 210. Whew. Look at that engine. And the wheels. There you go. They don't do cars like that anymore. Oh, the interior. Oh. Oh, there's a GTO right here. I'm not sure if that's the, I think this is the John Wick car. Ooh. Look at the interior. And look at those rims. Oh my God, I'm gonna shine those every day. It's a Galaxy? A Falcon. We got a Wildcat here. There you go. Those ram intake. There you go. And then the badge. And the wheels. Look at that. He got some alright, big Brembos right there. Nice purple. We're here again on the 45th annual Basin Cruiser car show. Alright, so now I'm another row. I'm gonna row more row of cars again to show you. Here you go. I'm not good at old cars, but it looks like this is a pink Cadillac or something. Let's make sure. Yeah, it's pink Cadillac. Interior. Yeah. There you go. Even got a die cast one right there. Oh, look at the chrome trim and how shiny it is. Ooh, look at the back. Oh, I think this is the days that cars looks like aircraft. There you go. We got an old truck right here, a Chevy truck. Look at the interior. Oh. And the bed. Oh, we got the wooden bed. And the wheels. It's like the Hudson Hawk. Like the movie Cars. Oh, that's a race car. Look at that wheels. The underwell. Oh. Yeah. I think it's interior. In the bed. Oh, it's like they put a lot of time and effort on this one. Yeah, look at the color. Right here. Hey, 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 what's happening? Quick here. Chemist American Lifestyle. And we're here at the 45th Basin Cruiser car show. Alright, so let me show you some of the cars. Now I want to show you this pink Cadillac. Look at that. It's a big one. Are you having fun, Quamy? You got big eyes, Quamy. Are you enjoying your trike? There you go. We got a truck here. A Chevy truck. There you go, with a wooden bed. We got Christine. So some motorcycle. There you go. We got Kawasaki. Oh, that's a Harley Davidson. A big one. A knucklehead. There you go. An old school. That's gonna be most expensive here. It's gonna be a day of polishing the chrome. It's a nice lowered one. Long tip. There's a Beetle here. Shout out to the Waldes, Mike and Tay Walde. There you go. There's a Beetle. And it's for sale. 12.5 or best offer. 1966. And we got a Roadrunner on the other side. The Super B, the showdown. Yeah. There's a Mustang here. A Chevelle. Ooh, I think this is the... Is this it? The... Was that one? The Keanu Reeves car? Ito ba yun, me? What's his movie? Yung movie ni ano, Keanu Reeves? Ha? Oo. John Wick. I don't know if this is the John Wick car. Ooh, Trans Am. I used to watch this series in TV. Or maybe this is the John Wick car. I don't know. You might need to look it up. There you go. An old truck. Oh, look at the wheels back then. The rims. Look at the rims. It's wooden. I think it's 20s. Look at the technology before. There you go. Oh, the interior. 2x4s. Model T. Oh, we got Marty McFly here. So I never seen the engine. So DMC. There you go. Stainless. Hey, look at that car. Look at that engine. There you go. The six pack. Ooh, and the wheels. There we go. And the interior, right. Nice color. There you go. There you go. I think this is one of the gonna be.
See what everybody's got. That's half the fun.
Get the start of night. I know. Strangers. The boulevard and shadows. Oh, Chevelle. There you go.
All there is.
Excuse me, sir.
Billy.
There you go. The Trans Am. I think this is Duke of Hazzard. It's all black. Ooh, remember that one? I think it's 9-track or 6-track. What's it called that? 8-track? 8-track. There you go. Oh, I got a big truck here. Alrighty, that's the first aisle. So we got a bunch of shiny cars here, bunch of chromes, and I got a sweet spot with those wheels, the old style wheels. They're really nice. All right, but I feel like this Super B is the one's gonna win it. Yeah. There you go. Let's go to the next aisle. So they're gonna have some prices. Hey, what's happening? Quake here, Chemist America Lifestyle. We're here at the 45th annual Basin Cruiser car show. So we're having hot dog. There you go. Here's Tsunamy and Quamy. Quamy on her trike. We're enjoying a hot dog. Are you having fun, Quamy? Okay, you got big eyes, Quamy. Yeah, you're enjoying your trike. There you go. All right, there's the hot dog. We got a hot dog. So there's a hot dog stand right there, $2 each. There you go. Hey. We're here in the 45th annual Basin Cruiser car show. All right, so let me show you. There you go. 45th annual Band Day car show. All right, so we got some motorcycle here also. There you go, some Harleys. A Vulcan. Huh, it's a Kawasaki. Huh. All right, so a Harley and a Kawasaki. This looks brand new. Oh, there you go. I think this is the knuckle. Yeah, the knucklehead. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's gonna be expensive. There you go. What a nice bike. Oh, look at the chrome on those bike. Oh my God, I'm gonna shine down every day. I'm gonna go home early to just to polish it. Nice Harley. Ooh. There you go, nice. And I go back to the trucks. There you go, GMC, nice color. And chromes. Look at that wheel. Right. Yeah, it's just we live in a different era now. So wheels are around 13, 14. Ooh, shout out to Mike with Walde. Shout out to the Waldes. There you go. There's a Volkswagen Beetle. So what's this one? It's a 1966. Yeah, yeah. There you go, 1966. There you go. Look at the chrome on that one. Yeah. And it's for sale. There you go. 1966 for 12.5. Or best offer. Alright, show you the wheels. There you go. Tiny, but iconic. There you go. It's a 1300cc. Yeah. There you go. I think this is a Falcon. No, it's a Galaxy. Oh, so it's a Galaxy. It's like a Mustang, an old Mustang. Ooh. Model T, Model A. It's an oldie. Ooh, look at the stripe, the racing stripe on that one. I'm not sure if this is the. Just put it on the message me or put it in the comment if this is the John Wick car. Think so? This is the John Wick.
They always fight with the shining up of the tires.
Or this is the John Wick car. I don't know. So looks like it. Oh, look at those wheels on that one. Wow. And the interior. We got the Back to the Future car here also. There you go. There you go. Yeah. I can't say anything about the Back to the Future car. It's iconic. There you go. Like I said, it's a Back to the Future car. There you go. Nothing else to say. Back to the Future car. Marty McFly. Oh, I don't know. This is the first car. 1903 Ford, hand built from Jimmy Wood. Oh, maybe one of the first car. Ooh, look at the engine before. Look how we got from this car to the newer car. Well, it all started with that one, the Model T. Ooh, look at those wheels. Oh, good. Wooden wheels.